It sits right in bed. Alright, are you ready for your first cereal?
It's cereal
You
time.
want to feed him, Steve? Okay. You ready?
We'll do it when the consistency's there.
Gosh. You ready? Okay. Here we go. Did you get any of that in your belly? Come here. Hello, open.
You don't even have to suck, Jacob.
I don't think any of it's going down.
A little. Are you blowing bubbles with your cereal?
I haven't heard a swallow yet. That's my only concern.
It's not.
Oh, there was a swallow. There was a swallow. We swallowed it.
Why are you
We
laughing,
could
Mommy?
wipe his face.
No, that makes it better.
No, it doesn't. Did you get it on top of the tongue?
This thing doesn't really fit in this. There we go. That's good.
Are they good?
Good. Yeah, that was a good swallow. You want some more?
There you go. Getting the hang
Good
of it.
job. Yes, sir. Good job.
At least he's like tilting his head back to kind of get it down.
That was good. You got a big old swallow. You ready for some more? Open. You're funny, kiddo. I think you've gotten like maybe like 3 drops of this stuff down your belly. Yeah, it's funny, isn't it? Are you done? You want to put your hands in it? I think you're probably done. I was kidding about putting your hands in it.
How many tablespoons did you put in there? 5?
4 of milk and 1 of cereal. Do you want me to make it thicker? Huh?
I just think it's supposed to be thicker.
Whoops. You like the box?
Does it say it's supposed to set for a little bit to make it thick?
Okay, that's thicker. Better, Dad?
A little bit.
You want me to
It's,
put more?
no, don't worry about it. Just stop. Just stop. We're going to have a bunch of parents come over today. We'll ask them.
You ready? I don't know that you've gotten any of this down your belly. You want to play with it, huh?
We don't want any more, maybe. Yeah, I think we're good.
Okay, first meal over.
Yeah, buddy.
You got more of it on you than you did in you.
That's what the doctor said.
Yep, good job. Okay, let's clean you up.